Let's go. Let's go, BD1. This thing's got your name all over it. Flawless. Garden's looking kind of respectable. Got new seeds to plant. Here's your new home.
It's delightful to see you fully intact.
Holding up okay?
Fine, thanks. It's not the first time this frontier has been terrorized by marauders, you know. But once more, the noble Jedi Knights rise to the occasion.
I appreciate the thought, Z, but we should watch the whole noble knight stuff.
Yes, of course. How glad I am to share with a friend. My, just look at it.
Done.
Certainly, pal.
Hey, kid. I got some bad news on our favorite Ordo Eris fanatic.
I already know Sork Tormos put a fresh bounty on my head.
You do?
One of your regulars clued me in on his game. She's been keeping tabs on the Haxian brood, so this time we've got the jump on him.
You figure that guy would let things go by now.
Hey, got a sec? Looks like I've met your whole crew, Cal. The old crew, that is. Seemed like there was some tension between you and Cere, huh?
It's always a little strange seeing someone after being apart for years.
Don't have too many people like that in my life. But that probably says more about me than you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's just me and Kata. And that's about as much as I can handle these days. The more people in your life, the more you can lose. You know?
You have to admit, that's not bad. There he is. Got your first target lined up. Looks like some Hexian hack named Kip Oster has been slinking around Dredger Gorge. This guy likes to catch his prey off guard, so watch your back.
Thanks for the tip.
Thank me when you turn in his bounty puck.
Got a solid beginning here. Let's build on it.
Keep an eye out for the Empire.
Ready to go?
Full speed to Jeddah.
Think Cordova can make some sense of that tech Cal found?
Are you kidding me? That guy is as sharp as they come. I can't wait to see Seer again. I owe her big time. She fronted me the credits for Pyloons.
What do you owe her, Grease?
2,000 credits, give or take. Maybe I'll make Granny Pyloon's famous casserole and she'll forget all about it.
For 2,000 credits? That better be one hell of a casserole.
We're about to drop out of hyperspace. Sit down.
Not coming in, Grease?
I'll catch up. I'm gonna stay on the Manus, check diagnostics.
Well, if you need repairs, I'm sure the Anchorites would be happy to help.
Ooh, no thanks. I don't want those weirdos rooting through my ship.
agree, but how can we be sure it's safe?
We cannot.
The network's resources are stretched thin, and some local leaders are unwilling to accept the risks.
How can we convince them? Many fear that accepting refugees will put a target on their back.
Cal, you're back. Did you find anything?
Think so?
Good. Cordova will be glad to hear it.
A strange device. This one seems to be a duplicate. Both have been damaged by lightsabers.
Wasn't me. This time.
Perish the thought,
You think you can fix it?
I don't know. But I will certainly try.
Master Junda, the Empire is nearing Pilgrim Sanctuary.
Is it a strike force?
No, an excavation team.
Good. They don't know about the safe house.
Yet.
Safe house?
Hidden in the ruins. Have we begun evacuations?
They're already underway, but Brother Armias isn't responding.
Armias has the communication codes.
If they capture him, they could put the entire hidden path at risk.
I know the ruins. I will go.
I'm coming with you. Vote.
You know what? I think I should stay here, make myself useful.
I could use a research assistant.
Bring back Armias.
You got it.
And no heroics!
With this one? No promises.
I think she was talking to you. Is the safe house far?
No, but we will need a spammel to get there. They gather near the base. Follow me.
What was this place?
An old anchorite monastery. Impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pilgrim Sanctuary is an ancient temple. Seer and Master Cordova chose it as the Hidden Path's safe house. We knew one day the Empire would come, just not so soon. Pilgrim's Crossing is on the other side of the desert.
This way, Master Junda. We are nearly there. So, what do you think?
It's old, abandoned, and in the middle of nowhere. It's perfect.
There's our ride.
Will you work for Saw Gerrera again?
Not sure. Haven't heard from him since Coruscant.
Enemies up ahead. I'm with you, Cal.
Then please. Up here. Let's check it out.
How is the desert treating you, BD?
He likes it out here. I think it likes us.
That's cute.
Let's hope this spamel doesn't abandon us.
Don't hold a grudge, Cal. It's not you.
Watch your step, lad!
Have we walked in on another dangerous expedition?
Well, the feral sneakfish prefers the taste of crab, but would happily settle for your toe.
Are you sure all this is worth the risk?
There's great beauty in peril, lad. And these noble beasts demand respect, you know. As you'll see.
Come on.
Well fought, beast. You remind me of home, you know. Were you hungry? Now you will feed the other creatures.
Slow down now.
Let's try to avoid unnecessary attention.
Won't be easy when the desert's littered with imps.
Then we will deal with them together.
Okay now.
Guard up. Well spotted.
What's something you learned traveling the galaxy?
That sometimes it is best not to ask questions. And to keep your eyes on the path ahead.
My friends, I will not live to see all the wonders of this desert, but it comforts me to know that you might continue this path in my stead. For Jeddah is but a constellation in a whole galaxy of secrets.
across the Narcus Anchorites, friend?
I have. They gave me water and a warning. Beware the Central Isopters, for they trade only in death.
This desert seems like it goes on forever.
Yes, it continues to surprise me. Let's keep going.
So where are we going?
Do you see those flags? That is our destination. Ready yourself for combat. Dathomir!
You will prevent that.
Someone get a shot! Keep your position! On target! Give me one clean hit!
Hey, buddy? Please help!
I am at your side, Cal.
Sometimes everything out in the desert starts to look the same.
You must focus on what is different. That is how you will not get lost.
Looks easy to get lost out here.
Then it is a good thing you have a guide. Foes near.
What's that, Trevor? Watch out!
Imperial's in the way.
Not for long. Enemy just pull up for me.
Resisting.
Guard up. Ready yourself for combat.
So, how'd you get involved with the hidden path?
I came across someone in need during my travels and helped them hide from the Empire. That eventually led me to the path.
Sometimes, I wonder if destroying the holocron had any impact.
We protected the children on that list. But there are others.
And the Empire's still hunting them down.
Just so. We must protect those we can.
Good time as any to modify. Pretty proud of this one. These are all over Seer's base.
Yes, they are ancient security mechanisms. A remnant of those who came before. When the Empire arrived, the Anchorites began to use these.
Old tech is less conspicuous.
Exactly. Well done. Shall we continue?
The safe house is in there?
Yes. The temple is abandoned and well fortified.
Perfect place to hide from the Empire.
So we thought.
We'll find Brother Armias.
I hope so. We will take the back route. It is the fastest way.
That looks like trouble.
At least there's two of us. One for each of its claws.
Nasty things.
Did you find the way to Tanalor?
Not yet. But we found some devices from the High Republic. Master Cordova's inspecting them now.
Seer and her master are quite the pair. They've been a vital asset to the path since they joined us.
Did you come across any other Jedi on your travels?
No, Cal. If I had, I would have contacted you.
Thank you. Nice.
A shortcut to Seer's base. Split up. I will slow their progress. We'll regroup near the temple.
Hey, Merrin! Watch yourself out there.
I'll be doing the watching, pal.
Just you and me again. It's locked. Welcome, traveler, though your journey started long ago. Ready to work, BD? This guy looks hungry. Careful not to touch anything here. Don't want to wake the dead. Devoted to the very end. But to what cause? stuck the landing. Don't fall behind. Map of the region. There's Pilgrim Sanctuary across the bridge. Wonder what those markers mean. Brace yourself, BD! This remind you of Zepho too? Can't make that. Too windy. Gotta block the wind somehow. You ever heard anything like that before? Almost like music.
What's the ETA on that shuttle? What? You know this is pointless.
They were waiting on a shuttle. Means more on the way.
Journey ends here. Perhaps another traveler might find this useful on the path.
Not everyone has the strength to make the journey. Let's stop here.